Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Today we will learn the Sunnah of drinking water. Dear kids, it is Sunnah to sit down when drinking water. We should always drink with our right hand. It is the Sunnah way. Before drinking water, we should look at it and say, Bismillah ar-Rahman. We should drink water in 3 sips. That's the Sunnah. We should not waste water. Take only as much as you need. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Allah, for this water. Let's make a promise, kids. From today, we will drink water the Sunnah way. We will also give water to others, because that brings great reward. Dear kids and parents, to learn more beautiful Islamic manners and values, follow our videos and join us at Madani Islamic Academy. Contact us now +44 7480 676 283. Visit our website www.MadaniIslamicAcademy.com. Subscribe to our channel for more animated learning. And for admissions and updates, visit our website or call us.